Think about how cool it would be to get paid to listen to music on your computer or smartphone. Today, I'll show you how you can earn money and get paid by simply listening to music. Imagine how much money you'll make from all of these songs. Welcome back to my channel. This is MetaUverse, bringing you awesome videos about cool tech, making money online, and much more. People from all over the world are making money off of pages and pages of content. So how much money can you make with this method? It costs $320 to listen to 10 songs. You can earn $640 by listening to 20 songs, which is twice as much as the previous song. Furthermore, listening to 50 songs can earn you up to $1,600. The best thing about it is that you can do it on your computer or your phone. It's also free, so you don't have to spend any money on it. This new method is great for people who are just starting out. If you watch the whole video, I'll give you a bunch of special bonus tips that will help you earn twice as much as other people. So keep an eye out for those extra tips because they will be very helpful to you. Start by going to Mixkit.co. This website has a lot of free stock music to choose from, and you can even make money just by listening to it. As you can see, you can download hundreds of songs for free on your computer or phone. Listen carefully as I give you the first bonus tip. Go to the homepage of Mixkit.co and choose a genre. You can listen to and download a wide range of music that doesn't have any copyright. Hip-hop and acoustic music are the most popular types of music right now, so I want you to focus on those in this video. After we've chosen a genre, let's move on to the next step. Please pay close attention because this step is also important if you want to get the most out of this groundbreaking new technique. For the next step, you need to go to uploadforever.com. If you don't know, let me tell you what this website does. Simply put, you can upload files directly to our website and get paid when someone downloads them using the method of your choice. Isn't that wonderful? This new way of doing things could help you make a lot of money online. Go back to Mixkit.co and download a free song. Then go to postforever.com and upload the song right away to make money with this new method. Depending on how much you want to make, you can get paid when someone downloads the song from this website. I'll show you how in a minute. As you can see, you should get all of your money. The best thing is that they accept many different ways to pay. You can get paid with PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, Perfect Money, or any other cryptocurrency you want to use. But please leave a comment below telling us how you would like to be paid. I plan to make some videos about it as well. If you have an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and look for the app Upload Forever. The app can then be put on your smartphone for free. I'll now show you how to sign up for everything. Pay close attention, because skipping this step could be dangerous. So when you go to uploadforever.com, click the sign up button. You'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for free. So right now you have to put in your username, password, email address, and payment method of choice. As for me, I prefer PayPal. My PayPal email address is listed below. Check the box that says I'm not a robot before you click sign up. Doesn't that make sense? You can watch it again if you didn't see it for the first time. After signing up, you can now log in to your new uploadforever.com account. This is the dashboard for you. Check out the control panel. The next step is to click this Upload Files button. This will take you to this page where you can start uploading your Mixkit.co songs. You will then be able to begin earning money. Make sure you don't upload any files that break their terms of service. This is another important step. So if you want to make money with this website, make sure you follow all of their rules. Also, if you're having trouble uploading on the site, make sure your ad block is turned off. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Moving on, I'll show you how to upload music from Mixkit.co to this website. Just go to Mixkit.co and look for a good rap or acoustic song. All of these song collections can be downloaded for free, so you can look through them all. You can hear a preview of the song you want to download by clicking here. So here's the name of the song and who made it. If you like this song, just click the button that says download. You can save it on your computer, laptop, or even your cell phone, as you can see. The best part is that you don't need an account to get it. That's crazy, right? After you download the song, you have to go back to uploadforever.com. From the dashboard, choose Upload Files. This will take you to the next page where you can now upload the song. Next, choose the file you want to upload. In my case, I'll put the song here that I downloaded before. As you can see, they'll show the size of the file. Making your file public is another important thing to remember. Then, people can pay you to get their files. Write down the song's name and the name of the artist for the description. Go back to the first site and copy the page's title and artist. When you're done, just click the button that says Start Upload and the song will be sent to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, go back to the homepage and click the link that says My Files. In this section, you can look at the files you've already sent. Here you can find the name of the file and how big it is. You can also find out how many people have downloaded your file on this page. Since we put up the song, the number is still 0. On this page, you can also set the price of the song to make as much money as you want. Click on this green icon to go to the page where you can set the price. Just put in the amount that needs to be paid. As for me, I'll just type this price because I think it's fair. Then click the Submit button at the bottom. That's all you need to do to get something out of this site. Always let other people download your files by making them public. Then make sure you set a price for each download so you can get paid. To make more money, just do the same thing over and over again. This is so cool, right? Go and earn money now just by listening to music. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.